Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant and you are watching my official YouTube channel and we are learning Adobe Photoshop. And Adobe Photoshop we are learning this toolbar and we have studied these tools, and now we have to study this one, and this is called Lasso tool. And within Lasso tool we have studied Lasso tool already. So in this lecture we will discuss Polygonal Lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool is used when you have to select something in straight path. Like if I have to select this one and I will have to click, and this will add an anchor point, and then we will move in that direction and I will click again, and another anchor point will be added here, and then we will move downward, and one anchor point, then again an anchor point, and then this one. So if we have to select something in a straight path, then we use this. But normally this is used not used for this kind of picture. This is used for geometrical pictures like that. If I have to select this box, then it will be very easy to select it with this tool. So I will click here and I can just select it within no time. I can zoom it, but I'm just making a random for you so you can make a selection. So I have made a random selection, but you can do the selection more accurate while keeping it in zone position. Like you can see, this is not too obvious, but you can select it more accurately. Like if I want to show you more accurate selection, I can go with clicking here, then I will click here, then I will click here, then I will press tab and move this upward. We can select delete selection if we have done anything wrong. So again I will hold this and I will move a little bit upward, and then I will go downwards. You can just put it here, and you can again select tab and move in that direction. Click here, then click here, then press space tab and move it a bit downward, and at the end you can click here to complete the circle. So in this lecture you have learned about magnetic lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool, as I told you, is used to select the object which have the straight boundaries. So in the next lecture we will learn about magnetic lasso tool.